Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You've opened the Word document and you want a clean PDF output now. First, review layout elements, headers, footers, and images so nothing shifts during conversion. Once done, accept track changes and delete comments. This prevents accidental visibility in the PDF. Make sure fonts are available or embedded because missing fonts often change spacing. Save the docx so Word has a current copy. This speeds up the export process and avoids version mishaps. Now you'll convert. Go to File and choose Save As or Export, then select PDF as the file type. Choose Standard for high-quality printing or Minimum Size for email. Click Options to control what gets exported. Specific pages include document properties and whether to create bookmarks from headings. If you need PDF/A for archiving, enable the ISO compliance option. After setting those, click Save. Word renders the document into a PDF, preserving layout and embedded elements. Open the resulting PDF and scan through every page. Check links, images, and text flow so nothing was lost. If a font or image looks wrong, return to Word. Embed fonts, replace low-resolution images, and re-export. For stubborn layout shifts, use Print to PDF from the Print menu instead of Save As. It often flattens rendering differences. If accessibility or searchable text is needed, run an OCR or accessibility check. Troubleshooting tip: missing fonts usually mean you must embed fonts or install.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.